Hey all, today I am going to tell you how you can remove the chroma key directly from the Kinemaster. So first of all, import the media files. As you can see, I had imported the media files. I had taken the background layer as black and the two media files which I wanted. This is media file and this is you can select from the layer. So first of all, select the last one and press the chroma key and enable it. You can see the green screen has been gone. This is the simple way you can remove the green screen. You will see little later that its greenery has scanned. So first of all, adjust that to the frame size. Adjust your chroma key accordingly so that it will fit to the background. If you are not seeing the chroma key, you can select from the key color also. You can see little bit greenery on his hand is clearly seen. So lowering the mask, black mask, this can be done easily. Now this is fine. Now I am adjusting the video to the full frame size. It is running smoothly now. Okay. I'm cutting the unwanted parts. Okay. Thanks for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit the like button